just get on the bike and...
Stunt riding is a freestyle sport. It's an action sport. I think you have to be creative. You have to estimate your limits, the limits of the bike, the limits of physics.
Jump around, jump around, jump around now. Jump around, jump around, jump around now. Jump around, jump around, jump around now. Jump around, jump around, jump around now.
I didn't know a lot about Pakistan, honestly. It was a quick decision to say I want to go to Pakistan, to learn something about Pakistan and to see the real Pakistan. Pakistan helmet. I got a nice kurta from Munib, from the fashion designer. I fell in love with trucks. The truck art over here is amazing, and I saw one guy painting a truck. I saw it live, and he was so precise and so quick. I love the way they customize the trucks. I'm a proud owner of a three-wheeler at home. Mine works a bit better than this one. This one had almost no brakes.
Now I'm almost Pakistani.
That was a crazy experience. To get in touch with Yusuf was interesting. He told me a lot about the history of Lahore and the cultural side of Lahore. Most interesting was my visit in the mosque. Really old, 700 or 800 years old. That's something new for me. I'm just looking forward to finally riding and having fun out there, entertaining the crowd, because it's a perfect match. You know, I have fun, they have fun. To get the crowd pumped is such a good feeling. I love it. I'm proud to be the first international stunt rider who visited Pakistan. The crowd reaction is amazing here. They go crazy when I ride, so I had fun riding. People treat me very nice. Hospitality is great. It can be really a good place to be.